Today I'm very excited making my own very first healthy ice cream. I have waited my whole life to see where I can learn how to. So join me. Just with two ingredients, apples, frozen apples, and condensed milk. And you can use natural yogurt, which is even better if you want to eliminate every trace of artificial sugar. Wash your apples, cut them, and freeze them overnight. When ready, toss them into the blender and give them a good blend. I am Juliet from Live Well Pathway. Here, we believe in using food as medicine to stay healthy, and should you fall sick, food can be a pathway to restore your health. Remember the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor at bay. Apples are nature's candy, but did you know that they also feed your gut bacteria? Thanks to their special fiber that give your digestive system a gentle sweep and a happy boost. Using a spatula, you can bring together all that hang around at the top of the blender. Then we are going to add our second ingredient, condensed milk. Milk contains proteins for tissue growth and repair, while the calcium helps our bone stay strong. After adding the milk, now it is time to blend it and blend again and again until you get the consistency of your choice. In a moment, you are going to see how it comes out nicely. Every scoop of this ice cream supports better digestion, regularity, and helps lower bad cholesterol too. So, we are talking about a dessert with health benefits. So, look at how it comes out. Oh my God. And everybody loved it. When we finished making it, it went like the wind. It didn't take 30 minutes. It was gone. What is your go-to dessert? Share with us at the comments. I encourage you to try this apple ice cream and you will be grateful. Your body will thank you for the benefits you will derive from it. So, like, comment, and share this video. Together, let's build a healthy community.